Hello children. Now let us understand the administrative reforms of Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji was not only a successful general but also an accomplished or an able administrator. He brought many reforms in the administration. He kept a strict watch on the nobles. He abolished all the religious grants. All the land and property given to the nobles as gifts were taken back. He established an efficient intelligence network or spy system. He prohibited alcohol, drugs, and dice games in his kingdom. Marriages, parties, and social gatherings amongst the nobles or the sardars were restricted. During his time, all the farmers with minor land holdings and also big landlords had to pay taxes. He appointed revenue officials to collect the fixed taxes from the farmers. Now, let us come to the military reforms of Alauddin Khilji. The responsibility of the appointment of soldiers, their training and supplying of arms and ammunitions, horses and payment of salaries were entrusted to the defense minister. The salary of the soldiers were paid in the form of cash and it was disbursed on the last day of the month. The individual records of soldiers were created. The records of these soldiers were created based on their physical features. For this purpose, a system of record was brought into practice named as Hulia. The system of stamping the horses called as Dhag came into practice. If any soldier had any grosses or complaints with his salary or entitlements, he could have directly complained to the Sultan himself. Now, let us study the market reforms of Alauddin Khilji. The market reforms or the commercial reforms brought by Alauddin Khilji have ensured him a special place in the history. He organized market and they were subjected to regulations. He fixed the price of essential commodities like pulses and cereals, edible oil or cooking oil, sugar, salt, clothes, fuel, and others with a minimum profit. He also established markets to sell slaves and horses. He appointed higher officials called Sahana-e Mandi to control the markets. The merchants who practiced fraud or the cheaters were severely punished. The rulers of Deccan had to accept his supremacy as the Sultan and also had to pay heavy annual tribute. In the Doab region, he raised the revenue to half of the total produce. The land between two rivers is called Doab region. Example, Ganga and Yamuna rivers. He appointed special revenue officials to collect the taxes, and these taxes were to be paid in cash. Food grains were stored in government granaries. All these measures taken by Alauddin Khilji enhanced the status of the government. His efficiency and honesty were responsible for this. A foreign traveler, Ibn Battuta, calls him an able ruler and an efficient administrator. He encouraged art, architecture, and literature. Poets like Amir Khusro and Amir Hassan Dehlavi was patronized by Alauddin Khilji. The beautiful Alai Darwaza, the doorway to Qutub Minar, and a madrasa in Delhi is his creation. Thank you, children. Let us continue in the next class.